Now we're going to add CSS to make the website look like a real website. First, I'm going to minimize the browser. The first thing we're going to do is make a new file. File, new file. File, save as, and we're going to name this style.css. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And let's press save. The style sheet has been added to the web project folder. We're going to have to link to this in each one of our pages here. So let's go to the index page and link it. After the title, press return, and we're going to make a link tag and press the tab button. And all we'll have to do is write in the hrefs here. We're going to write style.css and press Command S to save. I'll make the text a little bit smaller. Let's select the style sheet link, go to contact page. After title, press return and paste it. Command S to save. Portfolio page, after title, press return and paste it. Command S to save. Now you're not going to see anything new yet until we put some styles into the style sheet. So let's do that. All right, so the first one to get the ball rolling, let's write in H1 and then the left squiggly bracket. When you press the left squiggly bracket underneath the plus sign on your keyboard, the right squiggly bracket will pop up too. Press return, the squiggly bracket will go down 2 lines, and then your cursor is going to stop here, and you can write in color blue and press Command S to save. So what's happening here is on every H1 tag, it's going to show the color blue. Let's look at our website, and when we refresh the page, this word portfolio is going to turn blue. Let's refresh. Look at that, it turned blue. So that's what the cascading style sheet does. We tell the elements what to do on the web page. We can move the elements and we can color the elements. I'm going to press return a couple times and then I'm going to write body with the left squiggly. Press return and I'm going to write in background color. Now, if you want a certain color, there are these things called hexadecimal colors. They start with a hashtag. You can go to WebSafe Colors and go to the WebSafe color chart, and you'll see all these hexadecimal numbers. Let's say I wanted to use this one right here. It's FFCCFF. Let's write that in here, FFCCFF. It doesn't have to be capital letters. Let's save that, go back to the portfolio and refresh the page. The background is now that color. This lesson will continue in the next video.